In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your work in Canva. When you're designing in Canva, one of the most helpful features is that your changes are usually saved automatically in the background. That means as you edit text, move elements around, or add new images and graphics, Canva will keep updating your progress every few seconds without you needing to stop and save manually each time. This is especially useful because it helps prevent you from losing your work while you're in the middle of a project. As you're working, it's a good idea to keep an eye on the top area of the editor. There you should see a checkmark icon when your latest changes have been saved successfully. That checkmark is a quick visual confirmation that Canva has stored your most recent edits. If you're ever unsure whether your changes went through, this is the easiest place to check. It gives you peace of mind and helps you continue working without second-guessing whether your design is up to date. Even though Canva autosaves for you, there may be times when you want to manually trigger a save just to be extra sure. For example, if you've just finished an important section of your design, or you're about to step away from your computer, you might prefer to save it yourself. To do that, go to the top left corner of the editor and click File. This will open the menu where you can access additional options for your design. Once the File menu is open, select Save. This tells Canva to save your work right away. It's a simple extra step, but it can be helpful if you want immediate confirmation that your latest edits have been recorded. After that, you can continue working as normal, knowing your design has been updated. So the key thing to remember is that Canva typically handles saving for you automatically every few seconds, and you can confirm that by checking for the checkmark icon at the top of the editor. But if you ever want to force a save manually, just open File and choose Save. That's all there is to it. Keeping an eye on the save status and knowing how to